The subject names the person or thing the sentence is about. A simple subject is the main noun or pronoun in the complete subject. The predicate tells what the subject is or does. The simple predicate is the main verb or verb phrase in the complete predicate. A. Read each sentence and circle the complete subject, then write the simple subject on the line provided. So today you're going to use your scratch piece of paper, and sentence number 1 says, the young boy rode the bus to school. What is the complete subject in that sentence? Please write that on your paper. Number 2 says, my teacher, Mrs. Hill, likes museums. What is the subject in sentence number 2? Write it on your paper. Number 3, the two playful children made up a new game. What is the subject in number 3? Write it on your paper. Number 4, my sister's friend Anna plays soccer. Write the subject on your paper. Number 5, the friendly dog ran very fast. What is the subject of the sentence? Write it on your paper. B says, read each sentence and circle the complete predicate, then write the simple predicate on the line provided. Today, you're just going to continue to write what the predicate is on your paper. Number 6, we walked to the park. Write the predicate on your paper. Number 7, my brother Ken collects old stamps. Write the predicate on your paper, please. Number 8, I cooked a delicious dinner. Same thing, write the predicate on your paper. Number 9, my mom works hard all day. Write the predicate. And number 10, the shy rabbit hopped away quickly. Write the predicate on your paper.